The opposition leader wants the Chief Justice to investigate whether there was interference from government in the settling of a court date to hear the appeal of the property tax. Mrs. Kamla, using references from newspaper articles over the weekend and following Attorney General Faris Al-Rawi's declaration in the Parliament that government's appeal would be heard at 9 a.m. on Monday last, alleged that there may have been an attempt to pervert the course of justice.
And we demand a full and immediate investigation into this matter. We call upon the Honourable Chief Justice to take immediate action in this regard and to make the findings public, and indeed to do so before the appeal is heard on June 6th.
She further wants Mr. Al-Rawi to explain his actions, as she believes he may have also brought the administration of justice into disrepute.
That we will file a matter of privilege, a motion of privilege in the Parliament with respect to the Attorney General misleading the Parliament on Friday last at that sitting. We have a precedent in this matter. There was a case before the court with respect to privilege motions, and at that time the Honourable Ganga Singh MP took a legal opinion, a letter to the Speaker of the House that there was a court matter pending, but the Speaker of the House at that time ruled that the matter should proceed before the Privileges Committee.
Meanwhile, Mrs. Prasad-Bisesta is also questioning if the Minister of Finance is committing contempt of court by issuing a press release encouraging public servants to still accept valuation forms.
Saying that persons can voluntarily take their forms in, there is no stay, there is no injunction with respect to people voluntarily taking forms in the VRF. It's like in effect saying that if I volunteer to be battered or assaulted, if I volunteer to be murdered, well then it's quite okay, go ahead and do it. But of course it will still be against the law. Even if I volunteer, even if I consent, the person carrying out that act would in effect be breaking the law, and it's in the same way. The spirit of the law and the letter of the law, I think, is being breached.
She has condemned in the strongest form the actions of Minister Gov't.
I ask, where is the Commission of Valuations? The Minister of Finance has arrogated unto himself the functions of the Commission of Valuations with respect to the implementation of the tax and with respect to the Valuations Act. Where is the Commission of Valuations? Why isn't there no word from the Commission of Valuations? And why are you attempting to get public servants, abusing public servants, to in effect commit contempt of the court's order?